Alright, so this is my 1974 Ossa Pioneer. I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on it today. I'm going to take off these handlebars, paint them because they're getting kind of rusty. I'm going to finish mounting the tank. It's currently just sitting on the frame, so that's not good. And then I will be replacing the tires front and rear, and I might do something about this fender because this isn't the original fender. The original fender's gone, so I'll either need to buy a new fender or maybe I'll make one. We'll see. And then I'll probably do some other maintenance stuff. This looks like it's been leaking around one of these, so investigate that. Yeah, it should be a good show. right, so we have all of the fiberglass component refiberglassed, fixed in certain areas. There was crack on the fiberglass right here, and then the other one had a bolt that I needed to fiberglass back in. So all of those are done. The mounts are done. Probably get some new rubbers for that, but that'll be in the future. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do about the color of the tank, whether I'm going to paint it the same color as the other stuff, because I have a little bit of that paint left, but I don't want to get more of the paint. So if I do repaint it, I'll use that, but I'm also going to eventually get a new front fender for this that will at least look like the original Ossa fender. So I'm not going to paint anything until I have that, but I'm kind of playing with the idea of either painting it the same Ossa color, which looks okay, or going with maybe a red instead and just doing the Ossa pinstripes with the black stripe. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But for now, we can at least reassemble this, and then there's a few other things that I'll need to address, but for now I think I'll just reassemble everything and then move on to those other things. So let's get into it. Alright, so we have it all put back together. The tank is pretty firm. It'll be a little bit more firm when I get the new rubbers on that. And then the seat's nice. I think that I'm gonna call it for this video. In the next video, we'll be replacing this front tire. It's pretty flat, and the inner tube, I'm sure, is worn out. So both the tire and inner tube is gonna be replaced. Maybe in that episode, we'll also do the rear tire and inner tube, but we'll see about that. The rear one is still holding air right now, but some of the knobs on the tire have definitely come off. So yeah, I think that'll be it that we'll do on the next episode. I'm still looking into the front fender. There is one for an Ossa Super Pioneer, which I know it's not the regular Pioneer, but it might just look fine on this if I just paint it. Still trying to decide what to paint it, if I should continue with the original color or if I should paint it something else. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Catch me in the next one, and I will continue on with this.